The wait for an affordable MacBook is over, but is the Neo everything it claims to be? Meet the MacBook Neo, Apple's new 13-inch laptop that's turning heads and stirring up social feeds. For $599, you get a sleek aluminum build in 4 fresh colors: silver, blush, citrus, and indigo. Under the hood, Apple's A18 Pro chip, usually found in iPhones, powers a crisp Liquid Retina display and promises a full 16 hours of battery life. It's light at just 2.7 pounds, packs USB-C, Wi-Fi 6E, and runs the new macOS Tahoe with seamless Apple device integration. The base model offers 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage, or you can bump up to 512GB with Touch ID. Apple's even boasting eco-cred, building the Neo with 60% recycled materials. The buzz is real, especially for the blush version, which is already facing shipping delays. But some wonder, is this a true MacBook, or just a dressed-up iPad? What do you think? Genius move, or clever disguise? Let us know in the comments.